Welcome to part 23, creating the tabs and tables. Beneath the creation of the headers is this function to create tabs. So we've already seen this function before, and as you can see, it uses that dcc.tab component to create individual tabs. Now, one thing about this function is that it's only available during this create main page function. So it's defined within a function. Its scope is only within the body of this create main page function. Okay, so take a little bit a look below. We're going to create the tables. So now we're going to actually call one of the functions that we previously discussed. So we're going to create the world data table and the USA data table like this. And then we'll just add them under a particular tab. So we're going to create a user create tab function to pass in the data tables. And so we have two individual tabs like that. And then the last thing we do is to actually create the entire tabs object. So this is a slightly different object with the S, and then we just pass in those two tabs like this. So that's how we create the tabs and the tables that go into each one of the tabs. Now notice there's an extra parameter here that's set mobile breakpoint. So this means the tabs will change appearance. Instead of being horizontal, they will go vertical whenever the width of the screen is 1,000 pixels or less. So that'll control the look of these tabs, and it'll make it look nicer whenever we have smaller screens. Okay, so that's, and we've already seen all of this code before, but now I just wanted to go over it again within dashboard.py.